watch them be doing like the, you know what I'm talking about?
They fly. I don't know.
Where they like interpret everything, and they'll be like the sun and the sky.
Ballet dancers?
No, they're like
Mimes?
Is it contemporary? Well, that's not good. I don't know.
Dance.
The video introduction.
Keep my sister, what are you doing, Asia?
Hey guys, I'm Asia.
And I'm Aziza.
And today we're going to be doing a hair product review. I'll be doing curls.
I'll be doing Camille Rose Naturals.
And what we do with our hair is, you know, Beyonce curl. I could be like Beyonce, we should go like this. I look at you. It's just, and my hair.
Asia.
Smells good too.
Relax.
Regarding with the curls products, I went ahead and just did it as like a wash and go.
I kept my hair in 4 sections, braids. You will see it in the next clip.
And then I let this sit for about, how long is it? 3 days? It's been 3 days.
Yeah. This was not a 24-hour process.
I just put everything in my hair and let it sit as I smelled this tea tree oil going down my back.
Your back.
We'll get to that later. Smell my hair.
Anywho, we're gonna get into this video. So the first things first, after I washed and conditioned my hair with the Camille Rose Naturals Caramel Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner, I'm gonna go in with the Curl Love Moisture Milk. It's infused with rice milk and macadamia oil. It says a softening leave-in conditioning cream with light notes of macadamia nut and vanilla.
Excuse the faces, guys.
So I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to use Proclaim's Jamaican Black Castor Oil. And then as my cream, I'm going to use an Almond J twisting butter. It's their sweet almond milk and honey product. So I'm going to put that in my hair last. So essentially what I like to do is a lock method for my hair. I've noticed that I get the most moisture and just the best results with my hair when I do the lock method. So I'll use the leave-in, which is the Curl Love Moisture Milk, a oil, which is the Proclaim Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and then the Almond J twisting butter as kind of like my styling product.
All right, so I'm putting my hair in 2 sections. I'm not doing anything really like with a twist out or anything like that. I'm just gonna have my hair just natural. So with me, I just like to put the moisturizer, leave-in conditioner, and a styling product. Usually I use like gel or mousse for my hair. I'm putting in 4 sections, like my sister. Look at her. So for the wash, I use the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Wash. It smells really good. It smells like blueberries. Just the whole line smells like blueberries. I'm loving it. So the leave-in conditioner is nice and creamy, you know. I'm gonna put it throughout my whole hair. I'm not gonna put it in little sections or anything like that. I'm just gonna put it throughout my whole hair. And like really fast.
Oh, do you want to talk about your hair type? Do you even know what your... Asia doesn't know what her hair type is, so if y'all could comment for her in the comments below, guess Asia's hair type, that would be helpful for her. Me, I think I'm 4B, 4C.
Well, you said
I don't really have 4A.
4B, right?
I really do think you're 4A, 4B, but you know.
Who knows?
It is what it is. Just so everyone knows, we will also put the products, the name of the products in the line in the description box below. Well, we can also add links. You can get all of this, honestly, from your nearest Target. That's where we got it from. Oh, we also, sometimes our hair will dry really fast, so we have spray bottles at our leisure so that we can spray it and then distribute the product through our hair. I know Aziza, this is Aziza talking. I know for my hair, at least, it works best when it's wet with the product. You can do dry, but I just personally prefer wetting my hair and then putting the product throughout my hair.
I'm using my top section next. I go side by side.